YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
We're here and we're gonna do a video with my friend Lena.
And the chicken nugget. Say hi, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls.
We're gonna do a video today, and we're gonna actually try to reorganize this wall back here with Lena and Maddie, and Harrison is around as well somewhere. But we're gonna try to reorganize it and line it up a little bit better. And I figured we'd show you guys in a video. So hopefully you guys.
Well, no. This is the third attempt.
Yeah.
We did one together, didn't we? Kind of.
Sort of.
And then you kept redoing it. We're gonna make it better.
How that brown cow?
I say, see you later, YouTube.
Okay, see ya.
See you later, YouTube.
See you later.
All right, guys. What color would you classify these as? What color would you classify these as? James, what did you tell me?
Blue. They should fit on the blue area.
Bro, how much blue do you see?
On the butts.
But you don't see the butts.
Yeah, that's all we see.
That's all you might want to see. But this doesn't go with blue, you guys. Look at this. If anything, it would go with orange because it's more dominant.
Okay, yeah, I see that orange kind of sticks out now.
Do you remember when Harrison was like 2.5 and he was learning his colors, and we brought him at the old house into your closet, your shoe closet, and he had picked up the chicken, the McNugget Yeezys that I thought were really ugly, and I had him throw it.
I remember
and he
that.
threw it, and he was like, in the trash or in the garbage. Can you find me a shoe that's blue? Find me a blue shoe. Good job. That is a blue shoe. Yellow, yeah. You're so smart. Say yellow. Say trash. Take this and throw it. Trash. Trash.
Throw the trash.
Good job. High five.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
That was ridiculous. All right, Maddie, are you helping us?
Do you want to show the camera your favorite again? Go
Yeah.
grab the pink shoes.
Show everybody your favorite. Look at Daddy and show me.
Grab the other one too. Are you ready?
Show me right here, Maddie.
Maddie's favorite shoes! They're so pretty. Throw them.
Oh my goodness. So we're making some progress-ish.
We are making progress. We got this.
Sorta.
We got this.
I don't know what we're doing.
This is like the third attempt. I could have sworn we did something
There's a
like
lot.
this before.
There's a lot of shoes still.
We need help. Hire somebody.
I'm hiring you. I paid you with coffee.
I do this for free. I'm like part nanny and part friend.
Yeah.
I'm like your assistant.
I think that's called family.
Oh, yeah.
Maddie, thank you for the help. We're going to try to finish this wall somehow.
Mads, you want to stay in here?
No.
Oh.
We still have a lot of work to do, and I don't know what to do with the rest of this stuff.
And I gotta go soon.
Yeah, we have like 20 minutes. So we didn't finish yet, and I'll finish the rest and show you the results.
Because I gotta go.
Yeah,
But it's coming. Oh, an orange shoe.
yeah.
But it's coming along. James needs a few more shoes. So I don't ever encourage him to buy more shoes. But because we're on to something, he needs a few Dunks and a few Air Maxes.
Air Max. Easy-ish.
What
or
other
something.
Jordan 1 is purple?
Another cord purple. They have another cord purple on.
And I think that's really it. So the question is, does he leave it as is, or does he try to go find these shoes to kind of make it cohesive? Because it is work related.
Yeah, totally gotta.
I'm being an enabler. What do you guys think?
Gotta find the shoes.
I think that's it.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming and visiting.
Day 3 here.
Go pay attention to the kids, and then you gotta go.
I gotta go. I'm tired. Sorry, guys. I feel like I'm so like blah right now, but I think we're good.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna finish it up. Alexa, turn on Sneaker Room. All right, so here is a look at the final disaster of the sneaker room. And we have the wall right here. Somewhat organized with a bunch of leftovers down here and here. Got a couple extra bonus things over here, as you can see. And some more bonus ones over here. But obviously need to organize. And so, yeah, this is the final look. Shout out to Lena for helping me out with the video, even though we didn't get to finish it. But we try to have some sort of structure here. You could see basically we have like Air Maxes all down here, minus those Jordans right there, and those guys, which I have the Air Maxes that I just ordered for those. But I like the color gradient right here at least. And then you could see, so it goes red at the bottom, orange, yellow, green, blue, blue, purple, brown, cream, and then silver. That's kind of what I was going for, what we were going for. But obviously there is some little things that to be done. Like obviously right here, I don't have all Yeezys right here. I need to get some blue Yeezys and some purple Yeezy 350s right there. And then I also need to get a couple pairs of these guys right here in my size, the Human Races. I need a red pair and I need a royalish blue pair because those ones are actually my wife's sizes and stuff. But there is a fun little entry point right here where it's all Jordans straight down the middle, which I like that. That was all Lena. And then Dunks right next to it right here, minus the purple. Those are the shiny joints. More Jordans, and I want to have a foam posit one too, floor to ceiling, because foam posits are one of my favorites of all times as well. Then there's an Ultra Boost line over here against the wall, and some more Air Maxes and stuff like that. So trying to find some unity in the chaos, and it's hard to do, but I want to show you guys one more thing. If I grab my remote here, right here, you could see that I can hit the button. Let's see if it works. Yeah, there it is. So now we have it, so you can see the color of the background kind of lines up with the color of the rose. So it's purple, and then I'm gonna make it a more intense colored. I just dimmed it down, but there's purple, there's blue, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and then the top couple are just kind of like silverish and cream and brown, like I said. But that's kind of the final results, man, and it was a lot of fun to reorganize it. I also spaced the shoes out a little bit in between, so normally I actually fit one more pair on each row, but I figured might as well try to make it a little bit cleaner. But that is the final results of the rainbow wall. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Also, the reason why I put it starting here for the rainbow wall is because usually this is kind of what you guys see in the video from the purple down. So I wanted to just have it down there, and then the top ones are the other color. So that's the reason why I started the variation in such a weird location. But anyways, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited about the rearranged wall. If you have any suggestions of how to make it better, leave a suggestion. Let me know what pair I need to buy to put where, because I feel like I'm missing some. I want to have like all Jordan 5s in the rainbow side as well, maybe, instead of the 3s and the 1s there. But it's honestly really difficult to set up and have like perfect, because I have such a weird variation of sneakers. Anyway, that's the video. Have a good one. We'll see you guys hopefully back for some more. Peace, guys.
Bye, Apple. Bye, Orange.
You're so silly.
Say, how now, brown cow?
Hello, cow, cow.
Lena.
Are you being shy? I like your makeup. Do you want to show the camera your makeup? Ooh, you're so pretty.